current mood. Here I am, easy to please. Here I am, okay with it. Here I am, being Mother Nature's bitch. Here I am, the whole world is my daddy. Here I am, wabi sabi puppy. Here I am, desperate for attention. Here I am, being Mother Nature's bitch.
I mean, like at some point we're gonna die. Our kids are gonna die. Our kids' kids are gonna die. And at some point, no one on earth will have existed. And at some point, this sun will explode and everyone will have died, and no one will know what I'm doing. And what I'm doing right now won't even matter.